Today we're learning to think and act like artists. We're going to be making a tape resist painting today. I want you to remember that this process is called a tape resist, so we're going to practice saying it together. A, B, C, tape resist. A, B, C, tape resist. A, B, C, tape resist. The first step is to take tape, break pieces off, and make a picture with them. You just stick them down on your paper in a way that makes it look like a picture. You could do something like this. Here we have a fancy heart made out of tape. You could try to write a word. It would have to be a very short word because there's not much space. Or you could just do a design with lines or shapes. Make sure that you press the pieces of tape so that they're really adhering to the paper. You can also take tape and tear it into smaller, thinner strips if that's what you need. Now that our picture has been created using the tape, we're going to paint a wash over the top of the tape and the paper. To create the wash, you'll need water, and you could use watercolors or really any kind of water-based paint, as long as it's transparent. Remember, we don't want your wash to be too dark. Your wash should be like a see-through layer of color. If your paint is too dark, stir out your brush and add water and stir to lighten it. Our next step is to paint the washes over the tape and paper. Make sure that your paint isn't too dark or sticky. You can try using different colors if you wish, or mixing your own color using the lid of the watercolor box. Here we are with two different colors. Just make sure that you've painted the entire area. Painting a design would be a really nice idea. I did a blue dot surrounded by magenta, then blue, magenta, and blue, like a pattern. You could try stripes or rainbow colors. So there are lots of different options for how you paint it. And now that the painting is done, there's one final step in our tape resist process. We have let the paint dry, and we're going to peel off the tape. These pieces of tape are just going to go into the garbage, and look what's left behind after you peel it. Every place where the tape was still retains the original color of the paper. It hasn't been painted. So you can have tons of fun peeling this off, and your design will show up because it will still be the original color of the paper. In this case, it's white. So I hope you enjoy the tape resist process. Please try something really beautiful and ambitious with this process. Use your tape to make a really beautiful picture and carefully choose your colors for your washes so that you have beautiful colors as well. I can't wait to see what you're going to create. Have fun, kids.